So in the previous video we have done with the click event on the circle, and we have put a alert message with that click event. So here in this case we are going to change the contents of, or what we can say that, changing the contents of websites. So how we can do that? Let's take an example over here. So we are here, we go with new save as option over here, and I will save this file with the name of jQuery2, and here I will set changing website content. Okay, so we have, for the same we need to say we continue with this exercise. Here I have a green circle over there and two red squares over there. So what I will do, I will take two, and this time I will open this file in browser. So the URL I have to pass is query2. Okay, query2. So I just wanted to have some text over there, and I wanted to change it by means of some event over there. So for this I will take a header element, say h1, and to this I will give an ID. Say I'm just giving them ID as 1, and here I write some text here. Okay, similarly I'm copying this, Control C, and here we go, Control V, and this time I'm giving it ID as 2. So here we save this, and here we go, refresh. So we got this text, some text here, some text here. So I just wanted to create an event on click. For click, if I will click on this circle, the text over here should change. This text should changed. Okay, so for this I will create an event. So for this I will use this symbol. Then here I have to get the element over there, I selector. So selector for this is the ID I have to give over there is circle dot, I just wanted to make this event for click. So here we have to write function, then I have to write the body of this in curly brackets. This has to be given in double quotes, so that's why it's showing error. Okay, this is a string, as we know that. So here we have to write an event for this. So what we wanted to do, using, if we click on this circle, take this text should changed to say that you have clicked on a circle. So for this I will here again use the symbol, and here I have to give the ID. Now this text over, some text over there is a h1 element I have used for this, and for this element I have used ID as 1. So here I have to give that ID, say hash 1 dot. Before in our JavaScript we were using inner HTML. Here in jQuery we will use HTML. Then here we have to give the message that we want to text that we want to do. Clicked on circle. Save this. Now here we go, refresh. I click on this. Oh, this is done. Clicked on circle. So this text has been changed if I click on this. Similarly, I can write another event over there. So for example, I just copying this, Control C, and here we go, paste this. Same here, this time I'm using it for square, not circle, so I'm writing over here as square, dot square, because this is a class. And here instead of click, I'm just calling another event over there, that is double click. So for this I will use double click function, and this time I want this text to be updated over there on event if we double click over there. So this is having ID 2, and here I will write double clicked on square. That will goes over there. See, now save the changes and refresh it. Now if I click on this, the text is clicked on circle. If I click on this, nothing is going to be happen over there. If I click on this, nothing is going to be happen over there. So if I double click here, message changed. The text has been changed to double click on square. Okay, so this way we can, what we can do, we can change the website contents over there. Similarly, we can write another events over there. For example, I'm just showing you the example of mouse enter and mouse over. Control C, over here, control we just I am putting over here, and this time I'm writing it for event mouse enter. So here message, here text should go, you are on square. So for this I'm taking another element over there, say h1, and to this I'm giving id equal to say 3, text here. Okay, save this. Here we go, refresh. Now this is added over there. So here I'm just taking id as 3. Save this, refresh. Now as soon as my mouse will enter on square, the message, the text has been changed to you are on square. Okay, so what if I will click on this, nothing is doing. Double click on this, this text will go change over there. Double click on square. If I click on this, this says click on square. Similarly, if I can write the event over there, Control C, and here we go. You just have to copy these code, Control C. Here we go, Control V, and this time I'm writing event for mouse left, mouse over, mouse leave. Okay, so here message you left square. Save this. Here we go, refresh this. If I go there, you are on square, you left square, you are on square, you left square, you are on square, left square. So this way we can change the contents of the web page using the jQuery. That's all for now. See you in the next video.